Welcome back to Luxury Motors Review. Today we're exploring a car that represents the future of Ferrari, the incredible Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This isn't just another supercar. It's a technological masterpiece that marks Ferrari's first step into the electrified performance era. The SF90 is named after Scuderia Ferrari's 90th anniversary, and it perfectly combines the brand's racing heritage with cutting-edge hybrid innovation. It's faster, smarter, and more advanced than any road-going Ferrari before it. In this review, we'll take a detailed look at its breathtaking exterior, luxurious yet futuristic interior, its world-class performance, pricing, and how you can make one yours through the link in the description. The moment you see the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, you know you're looking at something revolutionary. The design is unmistakably Ferrari, yet it breaks new ground with a more sculpted, aerodynamic, and futuristic appearance. The car's silhouette is sleek, low, and purposeful. Every surface serves a function. At the front, you're greeted by a sharp, pointed nose and narrow matrix-LED headlights that sit within deep channels, doubling as air intakes to cool the brakes. The traditional Ferrari grille is replaced with a cleaner, more aerodynamic opening that guides air efficiently over the car. Active aerodynamic elements, such as the movable front flaps and rear spoiler, continuously adjust to optimize downforce or reduce drag depending on driving conditions. The SF90's proportions are pure mid-engine supercar perfection: short, aggressive overhangs, a low roofline, and a cockpit positioned slightly forward for better weight distribution. From the side, sculpted doors and large air intakes behind them channel air toward the hybrid powertrain and the rear-mounted intercoolers. The car rides low to the ground, sitting on beautifully designed 20-inch forged wheels that give it a stance of controlled aggression. The subtle Ferrari badge on the fenders reminds you that this machine carries decades of racing DNA. At the rear, the SF90 Stradale looks every bit like a spaceship on wheels. The twin taillights feature a new horizontal design, replacing Ferrari's traditional round layout. It's a fresh, modern interpretation that gives the car a distinct visual identity. The quad exhaust pipes are positioned high in the bumper, emphasizing the car's central mass and aerodynamic efficiency. A massive rear diffuser dominates the lower section, channeling airflow and adding downforce, while the electronically adjustable spoiler subtly adjusts its position based on speed and cornering forces. The engine bay, visible through a glass cover, showcases the hybrid power unit like a piece of fine art. Every angle of this car exudes precision and intent. It's not just designed to look fast, it's designed to be fast. Step inside, and you realize that the SF90's interior is as futuristic as its exterior. Ferrari has completely reimagined the cockpit to focus entirely on the driver. It's minimalist, immersive, and digital in every sense. The steering wheel is the centerpiece. Inspired by Formula One design, it houses almost every essential control. There are no traditional stalks behind it. Instead, touch-sensitive controls let you manage headlights, wipers, indicators, and even drive modes without ever taking your hands off the wheel. It's wrapped in premium leather and carbon fiber, with perfectly placed paddle shifters that feel like precision tools. Behind the steering wheel sits a massive 16-inch curved digital display that replaces traditional dials. It's fully customizable, showing real-time performance data, navigation, battery information, and even hybrid energy flow animations. The graphics are sharp, clean, and easy to read. It feels like sitting in the cockpit of a fighter jet. There's also a head-up display projected onto the windshield so you can keep your eyes on the road at all times. The passenger isn't left out either. They get their own small display on the dashboard that shows speed, gear selection, and performance metrics, so they can feel connected to the experience. The cabin materials are unmistakably Ferrari fine Italian leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum are used throughout. Everything feels crafted with obsessive attention to detail. Seats are thin and lightweight, yet supportive and comfortable, designed for both spirited driving and long-distance touring. The center console is a work of art, minimalist in layout, with a small touchpad for navigation and a retro-inspired gear selector that pays homage to Ferrari's classic gated shifters. It's a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Despite its focus on performance, the SF90 doesn't compromise on comfort. Dual zone, climate control, premium sound, and wireless connectivity are all integrated seamlessly into the interior. But make no mistake, this car is about the experience of driving, and everything inside reflects that. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the SF90 Stradale special: its performance. Beneath that sculpted carbon fiber body lies a hybrid powertrain unlike anything Ferrari has built before. At its core is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 769 horsepower, paired with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front and 1 integrated between the engine and transmission. Together, they generate a combined output of 986 horsepower. That makes the SF90 the most powerful Ferrari ever produced, surpassing even the LaFerrari in raw numbers. Power is sent to all 4 wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, marking the first time a mid-engine Ferrari has featured all-wheel drive. The results are staggering. The SF90 Stradale accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds flat and can hit 124 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. Top speed? Around 211 miles per hour. But the numbers only tell half the story. It's how the car delivers that power that truly amazes. The hybrid system provides instant torque, so the response is immediate the moment you press the throttle. There's no turbo lag, no hesitation, just an unrelenting surge forward that pins you to your seat. The transition between electric and gasoline power is seamless, so you always feel connected to the machine, never interrupted by the technology working behind the scenes. What's even more impressive is that the SF90 can also operate as a fully electric vehicle for short distances. With a 7.9 kilowatt-hours battery, it can travel up to 15 miles in pure EV mode. Perfect for city driving or quiet cruising through neighborhoods. You can choose between several driving modes. You drive for electric only, hybrid for balance, performance for maximum battery efficiency during spirited driving, and qualify for full power and track domination. It's a level of versatility that no other Ferrari has ever offered. Handling, as you'd expect, is phenomenal. The chassis is made from lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, keeping the overall weight just under 3,700 pounds, incredibly light considering the hybrid system. The suspension is adaptive, reading the road in real time to keep the car perfectly balanced, while the differential and torque vectoring system ensure maximum grip and stability in every corner. The steering is razor sharp, delivering the kind of feedback that makes you feel completely in sync with the car. On the track, the SF90 dances with precision. On the road, it glides with grace. Braking performance is equally exceptional. The car uses a regenerative braking system that not only slows you down with immense power, but also recharges the battery. The carbon ceramic brakes provide relentless stopping performance without fade, giving you confidence even after repeated hard use. The sound of the SF90 is something else entirely Ferrari. Its engineers have tuned the exhaust to amplify the V8's natural growl, creating a soundtrack that's both futuristic and unmistakably Italian. Even with hybrid components, this car never feels clinical, feels alive. Now let's talk about price and exclusivity. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale starts at around $525,000 in the US. But as with all Ferraris, that's just the beginning. With options like carbon fiber, exterior trims, custom paint finishes, and interior personalization through Ferrari's tailor-made program, the final price can easily exceed $600,000 or more. But when you consider that this car delivers near hypercar performance with everyday usability, it's hard to argue that it isn't worth every penny. Ferrari also offers the SF90 Spider variant for those who crave open-air driving. It's featuring the same powertrain and performance with a retractable hardtop that opens in just 14 seconds. Whether coupe or Spider, the SF90 represents Ferrari's bold vision for the future, one where electricity and combustion coexist to create something even more thrilling. If you're ready to own this groundbreaking machine, use the link in the description to explore official Ferrari listings, customization options, and dealership appointments. Through Ferrari's configurator, you can design your SF90 with bespoke colors, finishes, and interiors that reflect your personal style. Some dealerships even offer exclusive delivery experiences at Maranello, where you can witness your car being crafted by hand, a once-in-a-lifetime moment for any enthusiast. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is more than just a car. It's a statement of innovation, craftsmanship, and passion. It proves that the future of performance doesn't mean giving up emotion. It's still a Ferrari at heart. The roar, the precision, the beauty, but now with intelligence and sustainability built into its soul. It's the bridge between today and tomorrow, blending the spirit of racing with the responsibility of progress. The SF90 isn't just Ferrari's future, it's the future of supercars. If you enjoyed this review and love learning about the world's most advanced and luxurious cars, make sure to subscribe to Luxury Motors Review. And when you're ready to take the next step toward owning this technological masterpiece, use the link in the description to configure, reserve, or learn more about how to buy your own Ferrari SF90 Stradale, where the future of speed begins.